Alright, so every now and then, something in tech makes you stop and pay attention. Sometimes it's a new phone with a wild camera. Other times it's software that changes how we do things. Today, it's the latter. Woo. The Pi network is building a DEX. Pi has quietly built a massive community for years, and now it's on the verge of dropping a huge deal. A decentralized exchange, a DEX, native to Pi. The crypto space is noisy, hype, swings, and fizzling projects. But Pi has played the long game. People first, accessibility first. A native Pi DEX feels like the culmination of that strategy. Not just a token, an ecosystem. A framework to put Mind Pi to work meaningfully. What is Pi? What is a DEX? Why does this matter? And how might you use it? Let's get into it. Before the DEX, the Pi network itself. Pi makes crypto accessible to everyone. No expensive rigs, no complex charts. Download app, sign up, tap daily, earn Pi. It's crypto for the masses, intentionally simple. That engagement mints your Pi. First, build a community at massive scale. Pi's enclosed mainnet runs, but behind a firewall. No external exchange trading. No bridges yet. By design, time for KYC and app builders to mature the ecosystem. A grassroots economy within Pi already exists. A native DEX signals the next evolution, turning a user base into a functioning digital economy. So what's a DEX, and why is Pi choosing it? Short answer, self-custody, peer-to-peer, run by code. An exchange is a marketplace to swap value, a digital stock market for crypto. BTC, ETH, Pi, traded for other assets. Decentralized means no single company controls it. Smart contracts, transparent code running the rules. They lock assets, match trades, execute swaps. No middleman. A CEX is like a bank. They hold your funds. On a CEX, you don't hold the keys. They do. If they fail or freeze you, your funds are at risk. It's a central point of failure. A DEX is non-custodial. You hold your keys always. You connect a wallet. Code swaps directly between users. CEX, trust a company. DEX, trust the code. Open source, audited, verifiable rules. For Pi's user empowerment mission, a DEX is the natural fit. It keeps control with the pioneers who earned their Pi. Connect the dots. Pi plus DEX can be a genuine game changer. First, scale. Tens of millions already holding Pi. A DEX only matters if people use it. Pi starts full. Native, secure. Decentralized marketplace for Pi. Potential for wrapped assets unlocks more trading pairs. Immediate utility and real price discovery. It's like turning the lights on in a built city. DeFi is intimidating. Pi prioritizes simplicity. If the DEX matches Pi UX, onboarding becomes easy. Beyond Pi, this could model mass adoption for crypto. Build community, then launch tools. A new blueprint. Success would prove mobile. First, decentralization can scale. Not just a feature, a tool that empowers millions. And it keeps Pi's ethos. Simple, fair, user-first. Meet Alex, mining Pi for a couple of years. The DEX launches with a marketplace. One tap to connect. You're in. Swap Pi for a token in an app you believe in. No bridges, no external exchanges. Maria mints NFTs on a Pi marketplace. Swap to a stablecoin. Buy art. End-to-end on mobile. Low fees, direct creator-buyer settlement. A coffee shop issues a loyalty token. No tokens? Swap a little Pi on the DEX and redeem. The DEX is the plumbing connecting microeconomies. Pi becomes the base layer for apps and services, turning Pi into true, everyday utility. Invest, create, redeem, all within the Pi environment. Building a DEX is hard. Security and scale matter. Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol. Lightweight, efficient. Fast, cheap transactions, essential for mobile DEX UX. Most DEXs use AMMs, liquidity pools set prices. Provide liquidity, earn a share of trading fees. Smart contracts must be audited. Bugs can be costly. Multiple audits and extensive testing are non-negotiable. User education is huge. liquidity, self-custody. The DEX is a stepping stone to open mainnet and listings. Mature inside first, then connect to the wider crypto world. This is bigger than one coin. Identity, community, economy. Pi could onboard the next wave into DeFi. You shouldn't need a rig or deep expertise, just a phone. New energy, ideas, and perspectives enter crypto. The DEX is Pi's biggest test yet, where theory meets practice.